Hello everyone, welcome to IT Insider. So today I will show you how to make Windows 10 security without any installation of any antivirus software. Okay, now here we go. So I just go to the notepad and I detail you a bit about the feature that we use in this video. Yeah. So one is user account control. Yeah. And second is the window defender, and third is the window firewall security. Okay, right now I will show you about user account control. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is go to the control panel, and you will see that a user account. So you click on your user account, and the new window will be appear. Yeah, it's about the change user account control setting. Yeah, before we start to do this, I would like to share you about the account type in Windows 10. So there are two types of account. It's standard and administrators. What is the standard? The standard account is the account that you use to install software and any application that make the system change, but need to prompt from the we can set from the administrator password to be installation. And administrator is the full control for application installation and make the system change. Okay, right now we are go to our point is go to change of user control. Yeah, it has the four kinds of notify when there's something change. So the first is never notify, it's not recommend, and the second is notify. Yeah. So this one is application try to install software or make change, but this one is not recommend. This one is notify me only when application try to make change to my computer, but do not notify me when I am a change. So this one is about the administrator account. It means that when someone try to change it, it may alert me or notify me. Okay, and I'm trying to go to install some application in my computer. So this one is just make that you will see the user account control in the top. Yeah, you will see in the top. Okay, right now I will go back to the setting again, and I check this never notify and click OK, and so I will go to install the software again, and we will see that the application won't set anything. Okay, right now it said welcome to install. It's not alert or control the user to install something, and you don't know who will install that, or who is make the system change or something like that. So we not prefer to use like I'm not install that. So now we go to the other tool. Now I showed you the one is user control. So the second is the window defenders. So okay, now we go to the window defender. Yeah, is go to control panel, and you will see the window defender and firewall, and you click on that. You will see that is red. It means that it's not turned on yet. So you need to turn window defender firewall on or off. So in this side, I just turn on the window firewall defender firewalls. Yeah, turn on, and I click it turn on, and then click it turn on. So this is okay. So the color is be changed to green. It means that your firewall is turned on, so they can protect any of threat or virus or malware detection. Yeah. So Defender is turned on, and I go to via Windows Security Firewall. So you will see that in the bottom below you will see the security. You make sure that the network firewall is security. Yes, the main firewall is on, the private is on, and public is active on. So everything on. So okay, this is my presentation, and I hope this video will help you to protect your Windows operation system without any install of antivirus software. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video and my channel to get a new video.